what you're like.
Yeah.
Okay. You're on.
Okay, so my presentation is on nuclear power in the 20th century. And for my thesis, I said that atomic energy in the form of a weapon should not be used because of the direct and indirect consequences that it may yield. Some of the examples of direct consequences would be mass death, destruction, and the radioactivity to follow. And then indirect would be genetic, economic, and environmental issues. So as far as my interest in the topic, I chose this topic because I think it's very interesting how there can be so much destruction and people still be willing to use it. I mean, we saw with the Cold War that the world came to a standstill because of these weapons, and it's just crazy how the world could stop because of 2 weapons. As far as lessons to bring to the 21st century, Albert Einstein kind of said it best. He said, "I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones," basically saying that the type of weapons would be so extreme that it would basically decimate the world. And this is true. I mean, they're creating bombs that are big enough to blow up the world several times over. So it's just very interesting. We need to take note of that as we move into as we're in the 21st century, and just note that. For my source, I'm using a book called Consequences of Nuclear War, and it basically highlights the effects of what were to happen if a bomb were to detonate of extreme caliber. And this is a picture of Hiroshima. And as we know, the Americans bombed Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and it left the whole country in just ruins for years. So the effects are really great. And that's my bibliography.
Why are they making this bomb? For Canada, just stop there.
Like we're America, we can't.
Yeah, no,